Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to use free credit cards online for free. Now let's start with this one. We're going to call it Bonk or BunQ. So basically what this is the ultimate digital bank designed to eliminate the hassle of managing money. So this one right here, is it the Dutch bank? Yes, that's going to be correct. And basically what it does is we're going to check on the price right here because it offers a credit card online. Just sign up for this one, and as you can see right here, there would be a credit card utilizing this specific bank. Again, guys, it's just not any online bank, not like PayPal, not like Cash App, but it's a real legit bank that's gonna be found, if I'm not mistaken, in Dutch. Alright? So these are gonna be the check and checkpoints regarding each of the plans here. And there is a physical card, which is gonna be for free, as you can see. There's gonna be one included. And basically for this one, that's going to be one for you. Just sign up for this one. Another one for you is going to be this one, Revolut. So Revolut is going to be the same as BanQ, but this one is going to be a bit more legit because has a bit more 5% interest regarding the cashback. So these are going to be the plans. As you can see right here, let me just accept that one. So we have the free plan plus premium, metal, and ultra. So what's inside the free plan? So basically for the free plan, we're going to get the credit card we're looking for. Or rather, the virtual credit card we're looking for. Alright? It's just going to be easy as 1, 2, 3. Open an account, switch your payments, and automate payment day. That's going to be the Revolut for you. Alright? Again, let me just check on the free plan here to give you a better understanding on what it looks like. And there we have it. Okay? And the last one right here would be Wise. Now, Wise is a perfect plan, actually, if I'm not mistaken. Wise has the lowest currency exchange fees among all the other apps. This is going to be better or best for freelancers, for remote workers all around the globe, where you can get your plan in here. The only catch for this one is to get your card, you need to pay the one time payment. I think that's going to be around $7. As you can see right here, order your card, but that's going to be a one time payment. And then moving forward, you're going to enjoy the Wise benefits, which is the lowest charge for currency fees. Alright? And that being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.